Welcome everybody. This is Second Life and Lunch. My name is Kit Umscheid and I'm a graphic designer in the marketing department here at Kirkwood Community College. And I've been exploring Second Life for about 2 years now. We're videotaping today's meeting, so please sign the photo release form either in front of you or at the back of the room. If you're faculty, please sure to sign up for this meeting on the KSELT website before you leave today so you can get the professional renewal credit. I didn't write the URL up here, but there's a link to it on our website. If you go to the www.kirkwood.edu, Second Life, you'll find a link. For the benefit of our visitors, I thought a quick explanation of Second Life would be helpful. On the Second Life website, Second Life is described as a 3D virtual world created entirely by its residents. That means that everything you see, from the molding and shaping of the landscape, to the buildings, to the vehicles, to the clothing on your avatar, was created by someone. If you're watching today's presentation on the big screen, it's from the viewpoint of my avatar here, Kit Umscheid Ryder. For the benefit of our tour guide, I thought it would be nice for us to introduce each other. We'll just go around the room, just say who you are, what department you're from, and your experience with Second Life. We'll just start with the front.
Okay, with Jan Robertson, Distance Learning Department, and very little experience in Second Life other than having an avatar and can fly and do some of those things.
Jim Trupp, I teach electronics at Kirkwood, and I've just learned the sessions that kids offer.
I'm Todd Prusha, and I'm in the Distance Learning Department also, and I have about the same experience as everyone else here.
I'm Alan Paterka. I'm an instructional designer. I've been in Second Life since maybe '05.
I'm Jed Peterson, and I teach history in the distance learning department, and I'm, I don't know, about a year into it. It's great.
I'm Rod Kazat. I'm a graphic designer in the marketing services group, and I've been at this about 3 months, and thanks to Kit.
I'm Bonnie Kokoski. I'm from Institutional Effectiveness, and I've been in Second Life for about a year.
I'm Xavier. I'm a work study for Bonnie, and I've been in Second Life for 6 months maybe.
Yeah. Well, let me introduce Jeff. Jeffrey Corbin is joining us today via speakerphone in Second Life from the University of Denver virtual campus. Jeffrey is from the Physics and Astronomy department at the University of Denver and is co-founder of the Scilands. That's a group of 50 islands with science-related content. He'll be giving us an overview of how the Scilands were created and taking us to one of his favorite places, the International Spaceflight Museum. So please give a warm welcome to Jeffrey Corbin.
Thank you. So let's see, where do I start? The Scilands was created, I think, just over 2 years ago. January of '07. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. And it was a partnership that started with the International Spaceflight Museum and the Science School. The Science School was the first island in Scilands, and it's turned out to be rather successful. I could read off a list of some of the organizations that are here, if you care to know. There's some government agencies, Elon University, Genome Island, which is biology, and I was asking going to ask her if she wanted to give a little tour on her island, because she has a lot of exhibits and such that she uses with her students. NOAA, National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration is here. Science Friday from NPR is broadcast from Scilands. National Space Society. We've got some British universities here. Imperial College, the Exploratorium in San Francisco, the Tech Museum from San Jose is here, and I think we're pushing about 60 islands at this point. The International Spaceflight Museum has been in Second Life for a number of years, and it's been a real popular place for people to go, so I thought maybe we just go over there. I suppose, I mean, you could fly, but I don't want to push anyone to start learning how to fly. It's behind this, it's this direction. The building I'm heading towards is a replica of our science building in Second Life, called Nolan Hall. So shall we teleport, or can you see the International Spaceflight Museum? I know it's kind of dark out right now.
We just force the center.
I'll teleport. It's a bit of a walk.
Is everybody familiar with flying pretty well? Do you want to try flying?
Try flying. I'll also send a teleport here.
If you guys get left behind at any point, just send a message to the group or instant message me and I'll group.
There's also, like I said earlier, there's a meeting going on right now at Scilands. If you'd like to see an example of a pretty famous astronomer giving a talk, we can teleport over there real quick and then come back to the International Spaceflight Museum. If you'd like to see an example of how Second Life is used, I'd recommend that we go over here to our Stella Nova island.
Sounds like a good idea.
Okay then, let's do that. Sorry, we'll come back to this.
Okay.
We'll kind of surprise them a little bit with a few more people. There's 31 people there right now.
I'm not sure how many people have actually seen a large group gathered, so I think that's a good idea.
Okay.
There's a bunch of us by that rock, so I'll get
Yeah.
you
As soon as he teleports me in, I'm going to teleport everybody else.
Okay. And it's with voice also. And we're talking about Second Life, so this might be a bit interesting.
Challenges of bringing a group into Second Life is how do you get everyone to stay together?
There's a person from IBM talking right now. Actually, it looks as though Pete Hutt has left. You use your Alt key and your mouse, and you can zoom in on the person who's talking to hear them better. Okay.
Is that
I was just told that it was suggested everyone sit.
Can you send me an instant message?
And what you do is you just click on, this circular bench and say sit here.